Experiencing display or device detection problems with your Targus docking station on your Mac, especially if it's an M1, M2, or M3 Mac? These issues often stem from mismatches between hardware, firmware, and macOS versions. First, ensure your Targus dock is Thunderbolt certified, as Macs require this for optimal performance. Start with the basics. Use a high-quality USB-C cable rated for 10 GHz or higher. Make sure the dock is receiving sufficient power. Check macOS system report to see if the dock is even recognized. If not, try resetting the dock using the pinhole reset button. These initial checks address many common issues. If problems persist, move on to software-related fixes. The most common fix involves updating your Targus docking station's firmware. Targus released a significant update, version 3.2.1, in September 2025 that specifically improves display detection on macOS Sonoma 15.1 and later, targeting those no display errors on M2, M3 MacBooks. Also, ensure your macOS is up to date, as Apple frequently includes compatibility fixes in their updates. If issues continue, try resetting your Mac's SMC NVRAM. Finally, user reports suggest that adjusting display settings in system preferences can sometimes resolve display issues. By addressing both hardware and software aspects, you'll likely resolve most Targus dock compatibility problems with your Mac.